Hello children, welcome to our English 1 class. Please open page at 27. Today we'll do the exercises of this chapter. Let's start with that. First exercise is yours. Exercise A. Write the feminine forms of the following words. These are again masculine given to you. You are supposed to write down the feminine of these words. First is your nephew. Feminine of nephew is niece, Niece. Next comes our horse, mare, Mare. Boar, sow, Sow. Then comes landlord, landlady. Peacock, peahen. Number 6, billy goat, nanny goat. For this goat spelling you can see from here, nanny spelling Nanny. Nanny. Next comes your dog, bitch. Ram, ewe. Then yours uncle, aunt, Aunt. Bull, cow, Cow. Man, woman. Actor, actress. Remember that don't write O here when you are writing actress. ACTRESS. Next comes your master, mistress. Same spelling of mistress, MISTRESS. Don't write E here. Okay. RE will come. Husband, wife. Waiter, waitress. Father, mother. Emperor, empress. King, queen. Then comes your gander, goose, GOOSE. Tiger, tigress. Move to the next exercise and circle the common gender among the following. What are the common gender? Common gender are those which we can use for both male or female. Come to the first one. You are supposed to encircle those. Boy, parent, landlord, drone, sheep. Here parent we can use for both male or female, means for both mother or father, and encircle this parent. Then second one is your sheep. Again sheep also we can use for both male or female. Sheep we are using for both male and female. Next comes your sibling, hen, uncle, ewe, bull. And this sibling. Encircle this sibling. Dog, student, prince, lioness, enemy. Encircle this enemy. Enemy can be both male or female. And encircle this student. Student and enemy. Next comes your third one, teacher, actress, fall, milkman, and so. And this fall and teacher. Encircle these two words, teacher and fall. Next comes your peahen, swan, wife, companion, nun. Companion and swan. These are the two words which you are supposed to encircle. Then comes your friend, mistress, neighbor, drake, gander. Encircle neighbor and friend. Neighbor and friend. Then comes ram, pig, niece, king, learner. Encircle learner and pig. Pig and learner are used for both male and female. These are common gender. Human, huntress, sister, goat, emperor. Goat and human. We are using for both. So these both are goat and human. Human are your common gender. Now move to the next exercise, that is your D exercise. Find the odd one out. Odd one out means which does not fit into a group. Means that is not from that same group. Okay, you are supposed to again find out that. First one is yours. Boy, bitch, bull, boar, brother. If you find brother, boar, bull and boy, all these are masculine gender, but bitch is your feminine gender. So encircle this one, bitch. Okay. Then comes your man, monk, milkman, master, mayor. Again same, man, monk, milkman, master. All these four are your which gender? Masculine gender. But this mayor is your which gender? Feminine gender. Next comes your girl, queen, nephew, sister, aunt. Okay, children. Girl. This, if you find these all four are your feminine gender. But the nephew is your which gender? Masculine gender. Okay, so this is odd one. So encircle this. Then comes your cob, tiger, boar, ram, sow. Again, sow is your which gender? Feminine gender. But ram, boar, tiger and cob are your which gender? Masculine gender. So encircle your sow. Next comes your book, shirt, car, you, stick. Okay. Book, shirt, car, stick. All these are lifeless object. And when we are talking about lifeless subject, in which gender these come? These comes in your neuter gender. So, but this is not your neuter gender. Which gender it is? Which gender is this? This is your feminine gender. So encircle you. Okay. U is your answer. Then we have done A, B and D exercise. Now we'll do definition of this chapter. Then open your notebooks. Please open your notebooks and start writing chapter 6, the noun gender. So write down the definition, please, children. Definition. Then first definition is your masculine gender. A noun, that is the name of any male person or animal, is said to be of the masculine gender. Example, boy, man, father, etc. I am repeating. A noun, that is the name of any male person or animal, is said to be of the masculine gender. Example, boy, man, father, etc. Second definition, feminine gender. A noun, that is the name of any female person or animal, is said to be of the feminine gender. Example, girl, mother, mayor, etc. I am repeating. A noun, that is the name of any female person or animal, is said to be of the feminine gender. Example, girl, mother, mayor, etc. Next comes your neuter gender. A noun, that is the name of. A noun, that is the name of a lifeless object, is said to be of the neuter gender. I am repeating. A noun, that is the name of a lifeless object, is said to be of the neuter gender. Example, pencil, paper, book, etc. Last is your common gender. A noun, that is the name of a person or animal that may be either male or female, is said to be of common gender. Example, parent, sibling, etc. If you find any problem in writing your this definition, you can take a help of your book, copy down in your fair notebook, and have a good day.